Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you can see appears on screen iPhone stuck on Apple logo. So guys, how to enter in DFU mode, how to enter in recovery mode, how to put in recovery mode on iPhone 6s. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video. Firstly, you can see tap on power button and home button and tap it 10 seconds until now. Tap on 5 seconds, 1 2 3 4 5. You can see attach the USB cable, tap on power and home button, after 5 seconds tap on home button. You can see enter in recovery mode. So guys, I hope you all know how to fix iPhone stuck on Apple logo, how to enter in recovery mode on iPhone 6s. If the video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.